Hello everyone, this is Pushkar Charan and I am working in B Customer since last 10 years. I am a hotel management graduate and I started my career in the year 1996. I worked for Hotel Marina for 3 years and then I thought of changing the domain, and so I switched over to BPO industry and I am working with B Customer since last 11 years. And during this entire stint of 11 years, I have had exposure to several departments. I have worked in operations, I have worked in transitions, and currently I am working with quality since last 5 years. And when I started taking care of quality, that was the time when I did undergo the Green Belt certification program and realize that how important it is to have a structured approach of solving a problem. And I got the training in the year 2007, and since then I have implemented several projects on Green Belt, and those projects were pretty varied projects, starting from business process re-engineering, wherein for an online retail account, we did re-engineer the complete process basis the type of customers calling us, and that led to an improvement of sales conversion from 24% to 37% in a span of 3 months. Then there was a project related to CSAT improvement where we were actually looking at the DSATs percentage of an online data backup company, and we improved that from 74% to 85% within a span of 2.5 months. Initially, I took care of 2 centers, quality, but as the project started completing, 4 centers were given to me to take care of, and that's when I started receiving huge amount of data, and we had to analyze those data points, draw inferences, and predict about the future. And that was the time when I realized that the need of the hour is to improve your skills, and so the black belt was the obvious thing. And currently I am undergoing black belt certification course from Benchmark Six Sigma. Till date, the journey has been nothing less than a remarkable journey. Now I realize that we have been living in a stone age, and very soon we have to move to a modern age. Because in God we trust, for rest everything bring in data. And I realize this fact that how true this statement is post undergoing this black belt certification course. We have been deriving inferences or samples without any logically concluding that what could be the error in those data points, and now realize that nothing can be measured accurately. You have to have data points with some measurement, and once you understand those errors, you can mold your business decisions accordingly. So this black belt certification will help me draw better conclusions and in a way impact the key deliverables of our company. And my future plan is to implement this in the service sector industry full-fledgedly, so that people can realize that without a proper approach, the results which we have been getting till date is just a minuscule, it's just the tip of the iceberg. We can have huge iceberg as the results if and only if we know how to logically analyze the problem, basis the past data, and then infer and predict. So this is what black belt certification is all about: study, analyze, infer, and then predict. And my current job role is to involve decision making of several departments like operations, like training, like hiring, like finances, and how we can control these X's to come out of how to control these X's to have a very valid and logical wise. So this is all about black belt certification course, and I know there are several websites which have talked about black belt certification, green belt certification, master black belt, and post undergoing through that black belt certification, now I realize how important it is. It is simply unthinkable to manage a process without having the knowledge of Six Sigma approach. So my message for all my peers and competitors is that the time has come to start implementing these concepts into business decisions, and sky is the future for all of us. Thank you. Have a great day.